Today I'm going to be showing you the new additives that I'm going to be trying today. And we just drained the oil to make sure that you know it's going into the engine. So first you're going to start off with some used oil. Think we should put more in or not? A little bit more? Okay. I'll do a little bit more. So the first additive that I'm going to start with is good old Dr. Pepper. I like it. It's kept me oiled. The reason I chose this is because it has 23 flavors, unique, so different kinds of oil. It's kind of taken from all of them, and it also has caffeine. Okay. So now that we got the Dr. Pepper in there, that's gonna be the first thing we're testing. And also, we're gonna try some barbecue sauce. Now, I love barbecue sauce, and I don't know about you, but it's always kept me very well oiled. Goes on everything, sort of a catch-all. Once you get the engine running, that'll heat it up, and then it'll be more like the liquid, and then it should be doing its job.
You've got to get that good Dr. Pepper to barbecue sauce ratio.
Right, yeah.
Muriatic acid, poison, severe burns, fatal, blindness, dangerous stuff, but it's really good as an engine additive to keep it clean.
Okay, I'll just start with that.
Runs perfect.
Let's see what this barbecue part can do. Engine's pretty quiet. Not complaining at all. I was having a little trouble here. It takes a little while to get used to it, but
Floor it. Oh, it smells great.
engine's a little rough. Just ignore the check engine light for now. That's not super important. Okay, let's do a little 0 to 60 up here.
To the floor.
That's flooring it. It's not want to get past 3,500 RPM. Uh-oh. Come on.
Still running.
Move it.
Was that to the floor the whole time?
Yeah. It's just flooring it. Yeah, we might need some more Dr. Pepper. Probably more barbecue. Oh, the car smells great. That barbecue sauce.
What does it smell like?
It smells like barbecue.
Like,
Oh my goodness.
I smell a bit of the acid in there.
Yeah. I forgot, we have to get a handful of dirt just to make sure it grinds up all the bad metal chunks in the bottom.
Boopy.
This dust is just to make sure that all of the
a little more.
just big rocks. Yep, just enough so it can fit. So yeah, that's the idea for this is because you know how like birds have rocks in their gullet to help like break down materials that build up there. Same sort of idea for this. Stick that in there. Just want to make sure that we have the right amount. Okay. It's about half full.
You try like pumping the throttle.
So overall, I'd give these additives probably like 8 out of 10. The only reason I took the 2 points off is because it doesn't smell that great. The barbecue smells great, but like everything else makes it smell bad. But yeah, definitely try this for your engine. It fixed mine. Mine wasn't hardly working, and now it's working great. So
Probably go another 200 to 300 million miles.
yeah, for sure. Yeah.